how to fix Snapchat could not refresh on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat could not refresh on Android phone. First open Play Store and then just search for Snapchat and check if there's any update here, and that's it. Now just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here type Snapchat and click for stop, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed, and that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and try again and it will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.